Hey guys. Okay, so option 3 is write a poem. In this activity, you will write a poem as a call to action for your book club topic. Please use the following criteria to guide you. You're going to do it on a Google Doc or Google Slides. You need a title. It can be free form or line format. It is a call to action. You need to convince people to read or care about the topic. What's the purpose? Why should people care? Include 5 important facts you learned about your topic. Demonstrate emotions and connection through thoughtful word choice. You'll be graded on font, style, and color, and also you need to include 1 or 2 minimum images or drawings. So that's the call to action poem. There is no line requirement. There is no rhyme requirement. Poems use specific word choices to conjure an image. So however you want to do that is up to you, as long as you hit all of these criteria.